Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to copy or duplicate a shape in a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file and select Tools option. Now select Comment option and click on your shape and select. Now press Ctrl C from your keyboard and press Ctrl V and see this. This shape now copy and duplicate. Now we can move it in here and also I'll copy this one. Select. Now press Ctrl C for your keyboard and press Ctrl V. Now you can move this one. In this way you can copy as many as shape you want. Also copy this one and press Ctrl V. As it is selected. And finally select this file option. Save or save as in PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.